Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is all about Sunday night. So it was so cold, rainy weather. So then I decided to make the dal bati. So here I'm using four or five, I think, five different kind of dal. So as you can see, I do have urad dal, chana dal, tuver dal, masoor dal, as well as I'm gonna use the mung dal. And this mung dal has no skin on it, but if you like, you can use the one that has a skin on it, and that's fine. So I take about like an equal quantity of all of them, and I'm gonna soak this for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna pressure cook this for about 3 whistles. And meanwhile, while that is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make the bati. So here I'm using the bakri flour. If you don't have a bakri flour, you can always take the equal quantity of wheat flour as well as suji, and that should work. So here I'm taking the bakri flour. I'm just making for me and my husband because my kids are not into this. So I was just making for both of us, and they actually want to eat sandwich. So as you can see, I do have the panini sandwich maker in the back, which I will use it in a few minutes once I'm done making my dinner. So that's about it, guys. Sunday, from last 2 days, we had lots of rain, and it started Saturday and it's Sunday. In the morning, we didn't have any rain, so it was really good weather. But then again, from afternoon, it started raining. So these 2 days, we haven't gone anywhere. Actually, yesterday we did go because my older son had a competition. So we had to go and take him. And the high school was like about half an hour, no, 45 minutes away from where we were. And it was raining so hard. So, but of course, with the kids, you had to do what you had to do. So here I just took the ghee and as well as I add the salt and just the pinch of baking soda, not too much, just the pinch. And as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all this first. After I mix everything properly, I'm gonna add the water. Now when you add the water, you just want to add just a little bit water at a time, as you can see here, because we want very stiff dough. So if you add it too much from the beginning, your bati is not gonna be crispy. So please make sure while you are making the dough for that, just to add a little bit at a time. And here I'm actually using the lukewarm water. So that also help with our body that it become kind of crispy. So as you can see, my dough is very stiff right now, and that's what we wanted. So once it's done, this is how it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna wrap it on a wet towel, keep it on one side for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, the oven is getting hot. I put it on 375-degree Fahrenheit. So once I'm done here, oven will be ready, and then I'll go ahead and transfer that into the oven. I haven't made dal bati from very long time because I'm the only one in my family who likes dal bati. My husband is not crazy about it, but today actually he did not have any other choice but to eat this because when I was not feeling well, my friend gave me the dal bati, and ever since I ate her dal bati, I was just kind of craving for it. I was like, I need to eat this, and especially today, weather was really cold out there, so I was craving for the spicy food. So as you can see here, I just make it in a bowl, and now I'm just pressing that with my finger. You want to kind of like I have a cross there, but I was struggling with the finger. So then after trying one, next I'm gonna try the butter knife, and that actually works the best. So now I'm gonna use the butter knife, and as you can see, it's really easy with the butter knife. It comes out really clear and clean looking. So guys, don't even waste your time using your fingers. Just go with the butter knife. As you can see, it's really easy. It looks nice. So by this time now, my dal is ready. As you can see on the right hand side, the pressure cooker. Somehow actually this time all the water came out, and as you can see, it's all over the pressure cooker. So I think I put way too much water than I needed, I guess. So now the oven is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my oven. Next, we're gonna go ahead and make the dal. So here I do have the 1 tablespoon ghee. Into that, I'm gonna add the cumin seeds as well as asafetida. Next, I'm gonna add the chopped garlic as well as the onion. Now, both of these ingredients, if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. But of course, with that, it tastes really good. One of my subscriber, Aarti, asked me in my last video that where do I get the asafetida because the color looks different. So I just want to mention here that all my spices comes from India because I've been married from last 17 years. I have never bought this kind of basic spices from here like asafetida, haldi powder, dhania jeera powder, red mirch powder. All that comes from India because when mom was here, she used to get her spices from India too. So whenever she orders mine as well as my mother-in-law sent it to me too. But like spices like chana masala, pav bhaji masala, those kind of spices, of course, I had to buy it from here. But the basic one, they come from India. So here I just add a little bit of ginger, and now I'm gonna add the tomato. Now you can add the chopped tomato. Here I do have the puree, so I took about 2 medium-sized tomato here. And now we're gonna cook this until it's completely dry. So as you can see, it's completely dry, and now at this point I'm gonna add the haldi powder, dhania jeera powder, as well as the red chili powder. And at this point it was looking way too dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit water because I don't want any masala to get burned here. And next I'm gonna go ahead and add all the dal into our masala. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it very well. Now consistency, it's up to you how thick or thin you want your dal to be. I like on to thicker side, so I'm gonna add still a little bit water because I want this dal to boil for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add the water and just put it on very low flame, let it simmer. And this dal actually, it's really good with even if you serve with the rice or paratha. I made actually a little bit extra dal, so we can just use it tomorrow, and you know, you can just have this dal as a soup because it was really good. And especially now you have like all the ginger, garlic in there, so especially in the winter months, those things is really good for health also. So here after 20 minutes, this is how the bati looks like. So I'm just gonna flip them now and let it cook on the other side. So now I'm gonna put it back again for another 20 minutes. So basically bati cook for 40 minutes. So once you put it in, you wanna let it cook on one side for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, flip them on the other side and cook them for another 20 minutes. After 40 minutes total, you wanna take them out and make sure it's cooked from all the way inside. And this is it, friends. This is my Sunday night dinner. And yes, the bati came out so good. And actually I can just eat them just like that. It was that good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I serve. I think it's all depend person to person how they like to eat. This is how I serve. So I just basically take one bati and like make the piece out of it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit ghee on top of this. This is my husband plate, and he likes ghee, so I'm drizzling ghee on top of that. When I made my plate, I did not do that because I'm not too crazy about it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some dal on it. As you can see, dal is very thick, and that's how I like my dal, especially for the dal bati. And yes, I did make the sandwich for kids. So one sandwich is ready, other one is cooking in the sandwich maker right now, and I do have the chash as well as the popper. So now I'm gonna, after dinner, gonna go and take a shower because I have a henna on my hair. So this is it, friends. That's our dinner on Sunday night. So it's the end of day. I just took a shower and I was about to use my Microderm abrasion kit. So I thought I'll just go ahead and share with you guys because in my nighttime skincare routine, I told you guys that I do use this once a month. And many of you guys also requested that you want to see how I use it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I have nothing on my face right now. So it comes with this kind of device. You have to plug it in. And this is the disc. It comes with the 2 or 3 different discs, and it's depending on what kind of skin you have, also what kind of things you are looking. So they do have this different many disc, and once you put it on, it's wrong one. Okay. So once you put it on, you turn it on, it makes that noise, and then you hold your skin like this, and then you go in one direction. Once you put it on your skin, basically it sucks your skin. So So now I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this disc also because it comes up, so you can just go ahead and clean it. And over the period of time, if you want to buy it, they do sell this by itself, so you can also buy it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. So once you wash your face, it feels really nice and smooth. And recently I've been using this night serum, and a company called Herbal Reach, they reach out to me. They asked me if I'm interested in this product, and after seeing all the ingredients, what's in here, I say yes, send it to me. I want to try it because all the ingredients in here, it's all Ayurvedic, and they claim that your skin will feel like a glass within 21 days, and who doesn't want that, right? So I'm using this from last, like I say, more than a month, and nothing else on my face every single night. And it is an oil. It is kind of, as you can see, it is kind of thick oil, but somehow once I put it on my face, it disappears within a second. My skin absorbs all the oils, and luckily it's not breaking out at all. Because if it's a really high, like very thick oil, chances are that your skin will break out, but not with this. And I do take it down on my neck and put it around eye area too. So I go first with my hand like this. I usually go like this. And I also use my roller on my face after that, so that way all the oil my skin can get absorbed. And my skin right now actually it looks red because I use the Microderm abrasion. And the small part, I just use it around my eyes. So thank you Herbal Reach to reach out to me and let me try your product. Hey guys, so this is next morning, and as I was filming yesterday, my memory card was out of space. So then I thought I'll just finish it in the morning so I can show you guys my skin in the daylight, because definitely this light is not helping me. So as I was mentioning, I've been using this for more than a month now, and first 10 days I did not see any changes, and after 10 days I start seeing the change on my skin, because in winter months I get the dry patches around my eyes as well as the nose. So even when I wear the makeup, sometimes those dry patches, it looks like a flakes and it just looks so weird. So I have used many of the cream, like heavy dry skin cream in past, and you know, when I apply the cream on my face, everything looks fine, but then next morning again my skin is dry. You can see the dry patches. So that was the thing for me, that I say if this product can take care of the dry patches, then this is a winning product for me. So first 10 days, as I said, I did not see anything. After 10 days, definitely I don't have any dry patches on my face. And you know, it is a heavy oil. It is so if you are dry skin, normal skin, you can use this. But if you are oily skin and if you live in a dry climate, then only you can use this, because I don't think so you guys need this. And this one has a slightly smell. I can't pinpoint what kind of smell it is, but this one has like a mangista, rosemary, lavender, kalonji, turmeric, almond. So all the herbal and Ayurvedic ingredients is in here. So definitely it helps your skin. So I'm gonna have the link down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in this product, this one is definitely winning product for me, because if you're like me, if you have a dry skin, this is definitely gonna help you. It is a thick oil, so definitely you don't want to use it during the daytime, just the night time. And just the one pump is more than enough. You know, it covers my entire face. And when you put it on, you know, if your skin is like mine, it's gonna sink everything in there, and next morning your skin gonna feel so supple, so smooth, and you will have that glow, like you glow from within, basically, you know, that kind of glow. So right now, as you can see on my face, only thing I have is concealer and powder, and that's about it. I don't have no foundation on. Yes, I do have the eye makeup as well as the lipstick, yeah. But other than that, I'm not wearing any foundation on my skin, and you can see how my skin looks like. And that's the reason I did not even finish my video yesterday night. I was like, no, you guys need to see my skin, especially the daylight, you know. So as you can see, I mean, my you know, skin looks really nice and smooth. And as I say, I'm not wearing any foundation at all. All I have is the powder, and that's about it. So friends, I'm gonna have the link down below in the description box. Do check this out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.